Aloha, I'm Hajar Gibran. I'm the creative director of the Gibran Center. While I was building the Gibran Center in Thailand, I developed an innovative way of building low-cost dome homes. Maybe you've seen pictures on our website or the articles or YouTube by my buddy Steve Areen, whose dome home we built at the Gibran Center. This is it right here, actually. With Steve's artistic genius and our two skilled Thai masons, Dao and Dome, we were able to build this unique dome home for less than $9,000. We've been swamped with requests from people all over the world, so I'm making this video to share some of our methods with you. After we develop a floor plan and elevation drawings on paper or on computer, then we drive a steel pipe in the ground. We set up a pole the length of the dome's radius that pivots around the center of the dome. We use it to lay out the foundation and later to accurately place the bricks, blocks, or whatever you choose to use. You could, like Mike Reynolds, reuse cans or turn old bottles into jewels. Then we build forms to support the arches, windows, and doorways. Once they are in place, we use the pole to lay the bricks. To stop the bricks from falling as they lean in, we use counterweights suspended over the outside of the dome. Our first domes were made with clay bricks and cinder blocks, which offer poor insulation or ecological value. In my search for better materials and easier methods, I explored the use of adobe, cob, compressed earth bag, hemp, and even recycled polystyrene. I was at a loss until I discovered a material I'd never even heard of before, yet many environmental architects consider it to be the building material of the future. Air-crete is a lightweight masonry product that is infused with tiny air bubbles, which expands its volume many times. It provides good thermal and acoustic insulation. It's fireproof, waterproof, and impervious to insects, including termites. Made of completely recyclable, non-toxic, non-corrosive materials, it will not rot, warp, or mold. Unlike concrete, which is hard, heavy, cold, and difficult to work with, Air-crete is easy to work with. It dries overnight to a density similar to wood. It can be cut, carved, drilled, and shaped with woodworking tools. It accepts nails, screws, and is easily repaired. And because its primary ingredient is air, it's eco-friendly and inexpensive to produce. Air-crete is simply a mixture of water, ordinary cement, which is made of powdered limestone, and a water-based lather that looks like shaving cream. You need a foaming agent and a foam generator to produce the thick lather, and a special mixer to fold the lather into the mixture. Commercial equipment is heavy and costly, thus Air-crete has been mostly limited to industrial use. With the help of my genius son Joel, who's the CEO of his company Infinite Automations, we developed an inexpensive do-it-yourself foam generator that works famously